This next release of Premiere Pro offers better performance and some nice workflow enhancements, allowing you to work more efficiently and deliver great video content. The new Freeform View in the Project panel allows you to organize footage your way, review, organize, and prepare media visually, right in the bin. You can group similar shots together by appearance, use it for storyboarding, make hero shots bigger. This opens up a whole new way of interacting with your footage and thinking about your story. You can even start to build a rough cut right in the project panel by ordering shots, adding in and out points, then drag them right into the timeline, giving you a huge head start on editing. Lay out text, graphics, and clips with greater precision and consistency using the new rulers and guides in the program monitor. Improved snapping lets you snap graphics elements to guides or to each other. You can save guide setups for specific tasks to ensure consistent positioning for graphics elements like lower thirds, logo placements, and more. Share guides with your team for design consistency across all your deliverables. The improvements to graphics don't stop there. We added more creative controls, like multiple strokes, background fill rendering, and now you can even use text as a mask. The ability to group layers together helps you stay organized, and drag and drop install of Mogerts makes working with motion graphics templates even easier. Speed up color and effects workflows with faster mask tracking, up to 4 times faster for HD footage. Higher resolution footage will see even greater gains. Use mask tracking to apply effects to part of your frame by automatically tracking objects as they move. They say that audio is the glue that holds your movie together. Auto ducking in the Essential Sound panel has been expanded to handle ambience. Simply tag audio clips in your sequence, then let the power of Adobe Sensei detect speech patterns and generate volume keyframes that duck ambient sounds behind dialogue, sound effects, or any other clip. You can let Essential Sound do the work for you, but if you really need to roll up your sleeves, we've made working with audio effects easier. You can now reorder audio effects in the effects rack, and you can copy and paste audio effects and their settings across tracks and projects to improve your efficiency while refining your sound. Together, these refinements make the editing process even smoother with Adobe Premiere Pro.